Hello and welcome back to Mindful AI Money Hacks. Did you know you can earn over $5,000 every month by using AI to create news content? Stay with us as we explain how to create your own AI news channel step by step. This could help you make a lot of money. So, let's get started. Imagine a special news channel run by smart computers. It became really popular and got 1 million views in only 1 month. Because of this, the channel can make between $300 to $5,000 every month. This is a big deal. Before, making news needed a lot of hard work with writing, presenting, and setting up big studios. But with AI, doing all this has become much simpler and easier. Step 1. Start by making your own YouTube channel. Here's how you can do it. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Choose Switch Account. If you're already signed in, making a new channel is easy. You just need to click a few times, and your new channel will be ready to go. Step 2. Choosing a good name for your channel is really important. The name should be easy to remember and interesting. Short names are great. If you're having trouble coming up with a name, asking ChatGPT for ideas might help. Once you've got a name, go to the basic info section of your channel and write a description that explains what your channel is about. This will help people understand what they can expect from your content. Now, let's move on to step 3, branding. This step involves creating a logo and banner for your channel. These are really important because they help people recognize your channel right away. In our case, we use Canva to make a logo. Tools like Playground AI or Canva can help you create these graphics quickly and easily. Step 4. Check Google News for articles that are suitable for your videos. When you find an article, copy it and paste it into a notepad file. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT to change the wording to fit what you want to discuss in your video. I'll include all the necessary ChatGPT prompts in the description, so you don't have to worry about that. Step 5. Now, it's time to make an AI news presenter. There are websites like Leonardo AI that help you make pictures of your presenter using special tools. Step 6. We'll use Hagen.com to make the news presenter sound more natural by adding voiceovers. These tools use smart AI technology to create great speech that sounds just like a real person. Plus, you can bring your AI presenter to life. Platforms like Hagen.com have tools to animate your AI-generated image, giving it movement and personality. Step 7. Now it's time to make your video. Go back to YouTube and put your finished video there. Fill in all the details carefully, like the title, description, and tags. Also, set up things like end screens to keep your viewers interested. To help more people find your video, use YouTube SEO tricks. Use special tools and pick words that match what your video is about. Remember, the title, description, and tags are really important. And there you have it. Now, let's take a look at our video. This guide can help you kickstart an AI-powered news channel that has the potential to earn over $5,000 each month. If you found this information helpful, show your support by giving us a thumbs up and letting us know the country you're watching from in the comments section below. Don't miss out on our future content. Subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting updates.
Welcome to Frontline Report 360, where the most pivotal news stories are dissected and debated. In today's explosive debate, conservative heavyweight George Conway takes on CNN's Jake Tapper's characterization of the recent Supreme Court decision on Donald Trump's immunity case.